Unscrew the side brush and remove it to clear trapped hair. Place side brush back in place and screw it in tightly. Pull out the main brush and remove hair in the bristles. Use the tool to cut hair trapped in edges. Pull out the omnidirectional wheel. Use a pair of tweezers to pry out the omnidirectional wheel. Push down on the tire until the metal disc pops out. Remove any trapped hair and add a few drops of olive oil, then reassemble. Wipe clean all sensors using a dry, lint-free cloth. Wipe clean all charging contacts. Replace water filter elements every 1 to 3 months, depending on water quality and mopping frequency.